Buddha. One day, a young man called Subha came up to our great teacher Supreme Buddha and he asked a question from the Buddha. Subha asked, "Oh Venerable Sir, I see a huge difference in this humankind. Some are long-lived, some are short-lived, some are very beautiful, some are not that beautiful, and some people are very wealthy while some people are very poor." So this Subha asked, "Venerable Sir, what is the reason for this difference?" Then our great teacher Supreme Buddha explained, "Young man, all the beings are owners of their actions. All the beings hire to their actions, the karma. In Buddhism, we call the action is known as the karma. So all the beings are owners of their karma, as well as all the beings are hired to their karma." Supreme Buddha said, "The karma is their relative